Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
Okay, the next category is Serviced Offices Provider.
And here we have Bawo Co-working, Mindspace, and New Work Offices.
Okay,
3 nominees, and who is the winner?
and the winner of this great category. And so, Serviced Offices Provider of the Year, New Work. New Work. Okay.
New Work leading the way.
Congratulations
2020.
and some round of applause from everybody. And do we have someone from New Work coming to join us? Oh, we do. Excellent. All right.
All right,
That's
Hubert, are you
exciting.
there? Hubert Apps,
Ah,
CEO
Yes.
of New Work.
Yes. Thank you, guys. We need it these days, you know, a lot of empty space around, no corporate clients back in the market. Developing of digital products goes well, but anticipation is still a little bit tricky, as the real estate guys are a little bit old school here.
yeah.
But I guess we have a great future, and if we collaborate, as I recently posted on LinkedIn, everything's well. Thank you very much for the appreciation, and it's good for the team spirit for us getting the rally for the last 8 weeks of the year, and I wish you all good luck and stay healthy. Thank you.
Right. How many locations and how many countries are you in now?
Well, I guess this race, you know, who is the biggest and fastest, we should really forget about that. We keep our 16 locations. We are doing one big opening in December, hopefully with Paul Kushmir from MNG and the city of Łódź in High Piotrowska. We did one opening in Dansk in September. That kind of went well. However, with the lockdowns and everything, you know, it's kind of tricky. And as I said, there are no corporate clients, not at all. But in the SME sector, we are quite happy with the sales. They are 40 to 50% up to last year, so that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, if you're losing one Lufthansa, you have to fill it up with 25 smaller leads, and the incremental side sucks. But yeah, we do it. We're working on the capital increase Series C, and as I said, the digital products like a digital office bus and the space configurator with toolbox are in development, and we hope we can launch that soon and present it to the audience.
Excellent. Congratulations, Hubert, and we'll probably see you in the next few weeks, we hope, yeah?
If you see me already on Monday, I invite you to Intercont Bar. The restaurant is closed, but the bar is open.
Okay, we'll all be there. Great.
Thank you.
So everyone's clapping for that since we're invited to the bar. Okay.